So, look at this pink car, great for small kids to enjoy. And it even has its own remote control to go forward, backward, right, and left. It also has its own pedal. And you can press forward to go forward and back to go backward. And if you want to stop it like a real car, you can press and hold the middle button. And if you want to start it again, press it again. And also, if you want to park it, press the P button. And if you want to adjust the speed, then you can go from low, medium,
Hey, roll. Go. Hey, hey, hey. Go, go.
Look him out.
He won't be here.
Hold on, I'll show you what we got for it. Oh, we got something to ride him in. We got a remote control.
Kick it. Go, girl. Go, go, go. You're gonna run off in the ditch. Go.
All right, go.
Don't let it run over your tire. Your feet.
Don't run me over.